RK Figs here, guys, coming at you today with some Brebas. We got here a Sucrete Breba, which I'm really looking forward to. All right, and over here we got, should I call them monsters? Monsters. Look at this. This variety is so underrated. It's a Niagara Black. Oh, look, there's even one back here. Oh, I didn't even see this one. This is a Niagara Black. I believe it also goes by the name of Nordland. Such a delicious, sweet tasting fig. And it's very underrated. Oh, look at that. Looks like we have a fig thief. I got a bunch of figs here. There was 3 figs here, and they're gone. Over here is a monster-sized Italian honey Breba. Now, but for now, it's a monster. You can see my finger there. So, oh, look at that. Look at that. That is definitely the work of chipmunks. Chipmunks or squirrels. Ah, that is terrible. If that was a raccoon, they would have been eaten right through the bag. Okay. We'll leave these here. And see, this one wasn't touched. That tells me it wasn't a raccoon, because a raccoon will break the branch and take what he wants. All right, so here's why I'm here. This is why I'm here. This is a Verdino Del Nord, and I can see there's some honey on the bag. So we're going to be picking this right now. And I'm going to just, before I go in and taste that, I got one more here that I don't think it's quite ready, but it's definitely on the way. Violet de Bordeaux. One Breba that is absolutely delicious. And I always say with Violet de Bordeaux, the Breba actually tastes pretty close, if not the same, to the real thing. All right, well, what's going on here? Got some weird fig rust, something going on. What tree is this? Improved Celeste. All right, well, could be not enough sun. It is pretty hidden, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. All right. Ooh, here's another one. Atriano. Still needs some time. Pretty hard. I am excited to see how much this weighs, and I can't wait to see how much the main crop weighs. Okay, so Verdino Del Nord Breba. Verdino Del Nord. Very first Verdino Del Nord in my orchard. I got this tree, I think it was a couple of years ago. And this is how it looks. It actually looks really good, and we're gonna try it now. Very good. One of those jammy figs, maybe like a dark grape. Very delicious. Your skin is so thin, you can actually barely taste it. Give it a try. Give it a try. How's that? Good?
Delicious.